In this video, we're going to talk about complement of a set and the intersection and union of two sets. So first, what is a complement of a set? To talk about a complement of a set, a necessary condition should be that one set should be a subset of another. So if A is a subset of E, then the complement of A in E is the set of elements that are not in A but in E. So this is the notation of the complement. And here's an example. This is set E, and these are the elements of E. And this is set A, and these are elements of A. So a very important condition should be that A should be a subset of E. And what are the elements of E that are not in A are 0, 2, and 10. So these elements are in E but not in A. So this is the set of the complements of A in E, which are the elements of E that are not in A. So here's a Venn diagram about the previous example. This is A is a subset of E. These are the elements of E that are not part of A. So these elements constitutes the complement of A in E. Now, the intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets it represents the common elements between the two sets. So this is set A, this is set B. They overlap at this part, which is the shaded part. This shaded part represents the intersection of both sets, and this is the symbol for intersection. So here's an example. Two sets are written in extension form, P and Q. If I look at them, 4 is a common element and A is a common element between P and Q. So we write in extension P intersection Q is the set that contains 4 and A. Now, if I want to draw a Venn diagram about these two sets, first, since they are intersecting, I draw two intersecting sets, and I place here, which represents the intersection of the two sets, I place the common elements. Then here I put the remaining elements of P, and here I put the remaining elements of Q. Now here we're going to talk about the union of two sets. So if I have two sets A and B, then the union is the set of all the elements that belongs to either A or B. And this is the symbol for the union. So this is an example. This is set A and this is set B. So A union B, I put all the elements of A. Then the common elements that are between A and B, I don't list them another time because we can't list the element more than once. So I put 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 12, 4 is in B, so it has to be here. 11 is in B here, and 14 is in B here. Okay, so I put all the elements of A, all the elements of B, but the ones that are common, I don't list them twice. Here's a Venn diagram that represents the union of two sets. This is set P, this is set Q. This part is the intersection part, but the union is the whole thing. This is the union of P and Q as illustrated by a Venn diagram.